Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at the sharing links reports that you can run with inside of SharePoint sites contextually. So first of all, the sharing links report is going to cover anything that has been shared, which includes lists or libraries, and also folders and items that may have been shared with people internally or even people externally. So you'll notice when you go into a document library that you can click onto share. And when you click onto share, there's different options available to you. So you can share with anybody with the link if that option is enabled inside of your tenant. We also have people inside the current tenant as well. We have people with existing access, and we also have specific people. And once you've chosen who you want to share with, you can also control the ability to view or also make changes to the document or folder or whatever is being shared as well. And there is also the option to block the download should you require it. So once we hit apply to this, we can share it with different users. So that could be, as I mentioned, internal users, but it could also be external users as well. So notice here we're sharing it with a Gmail account. So once I hit the copy, that creates that shareable link, and those people will receive an email and they can go through and access that one particular document. So that can be difficult to keep track of inside of each environment, since there's so many files and folders that may contain a sharing link, and SharePoint out of the box allows you to view the sharing links, but only on one file at a time. So notice it says here there are no sharing links for this particular item, so we'd have to go down to the next one in order to choose that, and so on. Whereas if I have more than one item selected, those don't show at all. So let's just have a look at this bottom one, and when we go to manage access, sure enough, we can see there's two different people with a sharing link. But this is also not too helpful. So let's have a look at what DeliverPoint can do for you. So first of all, if you suspect the sharing link is within inside a certain file or folder, you can select multiple files and folders, and you can pull up the sharing links report using DeliverPoint across multiple files and folders, and you can therefore go through and see who has access to those sharing links and when that sharing link was created. So this is the sharing link that we just created a moment ago, and we can see who has access to it, and we've also got that ability to remove the sharing link if we want to as well. Then additionally, it can be ran at the document library level, so we can click sharing links to see what items in the entire document library have a sharing link, and we can also run the sharing links report at the site level as well. So this will include any lists or libraries with sharing links, as well as any folders or items with sharing links. So this shows the permission that they have, again, who shared it, when did they share it, and the type of sharing link as well. So to remove a sharing link, we just simply select it and choose remove sharing links, as we mentioned, and that will remove it for everybody. So that sharing link for that item is removed. There may be multiple sharing links for the same item, but that particular sharing link has been removed. And we can also go through and produce an advanced sharing links report, and this can be run from the main DeliverPoint page. And as we hit the sharing links advanced, you'll notice in here that there's a few different options. So we can include things like subsites, we can show or hide the list sharing links, and likewise with the item sharing links. And we've also got that ability to go through and filter as well. So if we want to filter based on when the sharing link is expiring, we can do that. We can also see which ones allow editing or which ones have download blocked. So if we said allow editing, for example, I could go through and select that, generate the report, and we'll be looking at which of the sharing links actually allow editing inside of our environment. And just like the Discover Permissions report, this can also be exported. So from the Actions menu, you can export the report, and it can also be saved as a template should you want to rerun it at any point in the future. Okay, so that is sharing links, and if there's any questions, please reach out to us. Many thanks.